To transfer a WordPress website from localhost to Hostinger, follow these steps. Back up your local website. Files. Use an FTP client to collect all your WordPress files from your local server. Database. Access PHPMyAdmin on your local host. Select the WordPress database and export it. Set up WordPress on Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account and install WordPress through the auto installer in the control panel. Create a new database in MySQL database. Upload WordPress files. Use FTP to upload all your local WordPress files to the public HTML folder of your Hostinger account. Import database. Log into PHPMyAdmin on Hostinger. Select the new database you created and import the local database file into it. Update wp-config.php. Edit the wp-config.php file in your uploaded files to update the database name, user, and password with the new credentials for the Hostinger database. Update site URL. Log into your WordPress dashboard on Hostinger and go to Settings, General, and update the site URL to match your domain. Test the website. After DNS propagation, check your website to ensure everything works correctly.